Embark on a journey of seamless waste management with Flat Creek Solutions, the pinnacle of excellence in roll-off dumpster rental in Waco, Texas. Our roll-off dumpster rental services in Waco, Texas, are designed to cater to your unique needs, whether a residential cleanup or a construction project of grand proportions. Experience the convenience of a service that goes beyond expectations, providing the perfect dumpster solution to keep your surroundings tidy and organized. Choose Flat Creek Solutions for a dumpster rental experience characterized by excellence and dependability. Our commitment extends beyond the transaction, it's a promise to make your waste management journey remarkable. Dial our hotline at 254-307-9211 and witness your disposal needs transforming into a hassle-free experience. At Flat Creek Solutions, we redefine the dumpster rental landscape, offering a service and a symphony of efficiency and reliability. Navigate the innovative landscape of our website, www.flatcreeksolutions.com, and discover a world where waste disposal becomes a breeze. Say farewell to the complexities of disposal and welcome a new era of simplicity with Flat Creek Solutions. Your quest for reliable and efficient dumpster solutions ends here, where we stand as your trusted partner in keeping your spaces clean and clutter-free.